Hey guys, my name is Allegra and I'm going to be showing you how to do split time chi. Alright, so to show you how this movement works, I want first to show you without the dragon staff. So basically we're going to be doing a similar type of movement to same time chi, but it's going to be a little bit different because you're going to be alternating your arms at different points. So first we're going to start with your right hand up, and it's going to do a quick dinner plate sort of hold, but very briefly, unlike the other one, which I feel like it stays there a little bit longer. So this one is quicker, and then you're going to slap your chest down, and as you're slapping your chest and moving your arm downwards, I want you to bring this arm up, quick dinner plate, and then slap your chest down and move it forward. So you're just alternating like this. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to do that with the staff. The way to begin this move, I want you to start with your palms facing up, your dragon staff in front of you, and I want you to just flick the staff up on one side. We're going to start with the right hand flicking it up. And as soon as that happens, it's going to start rolling down. And you'll notice that it's going to immediately want to fall off your left hand. And basically you don't want that to happen. So when that is going to happen, I want you to bring it up into a quick dinner plate and let it roll down your arm. And this time, as it's rolling down your arm, do a quick chicken wing. And this time I want you to slap your chest down and then go straight, and it's going to roll down that hand. To go over that again, bring up your right hand and go into a dinner plate. It's going to start to roll down your arm. Just as that's happening, you want to start putting your arm into a chicken wing and slapping your chest. And as that's happening, your staff on the other hand is going to fall off if you don't bring that back into a dinner plate and bring that into a chicken wing and then start slapping your chest and dive through with that arm. You've got to do these alternately as basically the staff is about to fall off your fingers. On the other hand, it's going to be in a bit of a chicken wing formation. It takes a while to learn this one for a lot of people, and that's okay if it takes you a long time to get. So just be really patient with yourself because this is a bit of a puzzle for your brain. So once you've got split time chi with the slapping movement, I want you to dial that down a little bit so you're not actually slapping yourself so literally. You move further away from your body and then you're just not slapping yourself at all eventually. It's just a really easy way to remember the movement is to slap yourself, but once you've got the movement, start moving away from that just so you can make it look a little bit smoother, and it's going to look a lot nicer that way. Hey guys, my name's Allegra. Thanks so much for joining. Until next time.